Intensity of opinions refers to the strength of feeling with which a public holds its attitude, or if you prefer, the level of commitment that a public has to its attitude. Public opinion polls generally report only the distribution of opinions on an issue, although sometimes pollsters do attempt to gauge intensity, such as in this 2011 survey by Survey USA on the question of whether laws should require gun owners to obtain permits. However, even when surveys such as this one are designed to give respondents options to express how intensely they feel on an issue, there is no attempt made to determine how mobilizable their opinions are. Intensity in this context, then, refers to the strength of feeling as it affects a public's willingness to mobilize. Despite the fact that more Americans say they strongly support laws requiring gun permits, as shown in the first graph, we see in this second graph that does not necessarily translate into mobilized actions, such as written communications with lawmakers or making monetary contributions to political candidates. Barely 20% of respondents in this survey who said that they favored laws requiring gun permits engaged in either of these forms of expressing their attitudes, while 40%, twice as many, of those who oppose such laws undertook one or both of these forms of expression. It may be that on some issues, government makes public policy consistent with the opinions of smaller but intense and highly mobilized minority publics rather than the opinions of large but lethargic or non-mobilized majority publics. This fact may help explain why more gun control laws have not been enacted in the United States, despite polls that have indicated that more Americans than not have supported stricter gun control laws, such as requiring permits.